Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Biology Neet. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic for Neet 2020. The topic is human dentition. And I will also discuss some of the previous year Neet questions. So let's start. So dentition, what do you mean by dentition? Dentition pertains to the development of teeth and their arrangement in the mouth. So as you know that the teeth helps us in the mastication and also in the digestion process of food that we eat. So, the arrangement of teeth in the mouth and development of teeth in the mouth defines dentition. So, human dentitions can be described by the following terms. As follows, the following terms are thecodont, diaphodont, and heterodont. So, thecodont kind of dentition is a dentition where each tooth is embedded in a socket of jaw bone in the buccal cavity of a mouth. So, this kind of dentition where the tooths are embedded in a socket of jaw bone is a kind of thecodont kind of dentition. Then diaphodont. So diaphodont is a kind of dentition where teeth grows twice in a two sets during lifetime. A set of temporary milk teeth or deciduous teeth replaced by a set of permanent or adult teeth. Okay. Heterodont. Heterodont is a other kind of dentition where different types of teeth are known as heterodont. An adult human has 32 number of permanent teeth, which are of 4 different types, namely incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. So this is the diagrammatic representation of different types of teeth in the jaw on the one side and the socket on the other side. Here the teeth are named and also numbered. Okay, so according to number they are named as 1 and 2 as incisors, number 3 as canines, number 4 and number 5 as premolars, whereas number 6 and number 7, number 8 number of teeth as molars. Okay, so here in the diagram, socket of jaw has been shown where tooths were embedded. So on the basis of numbers, there are two sets of teeth, milk or deciduous teeth and permanent teeth. Milk or deciduous teeth has 20 numbers of teeth, 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. The milk teeth begins to erupt when the child is about 6 months of age. Whereas permanent teeth has 32 numbers of teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. The permanent teeth replaces the milk teeth when the baby boy attains 6th year of age. So this is a very important kind of dentition. Example is diaphodont. So in the previous slide we have seen that in the diaphodont kind of dentition where milk teeth is replaced by permanent teeth. Okay, and there are two sets of teeth grows during lifetime where the permanent teeth replaces the milk teeth. So this is a diaphodont kind of dentition. So dental formula: milk teeth has 8 incisors, 4 canines and 8 molars. So dental formula: milk teeth is 212 by 212 into 2 equals to 20. That means 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5. 5 into 2, 10. So 10 number of teeth in the upper jaw. So in the same way, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5, 5 into 2, 10. So 10 number of teeth in the lower jaw. So there are 20 numbers of teeth in the milk teeth. So permanent teeth has 8 incisors, 4 canines and 8 premolars and 12 molars. Okay. So here one of the difference between milk teeth and permanent teeth is that the milk teeth doesn't contains premolars, whereas the permanent teeth contains 8 premolars. So permanent teeth has 8 premolars, whereas milk teeth has no premolars. So this is a very important point. Okay, many questions are coming from this point. Okay, and dental formula: permanent teeth is that 212 3 by 2 and 2, 3 into 2 equals to 32. That means 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5, 5 into 5 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 into 2, 16. So 16 number of teeth in the upper jaw and 16 number of teeth in the lower jaw in the same way form 32 numbers of teeth. Okay. So here going to the previous year questions. So first question is that the primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition not having one of the following types of teeth. This question is coming in Neet 2015. So here the question is asking that primary dentition means milk teeth. Okay, milk teeth dentition. So in primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition. So as we know that primary dentition has no premolars, okay, whereas permanent dentition has premolars. So in not having one of the following types of teeth. So going to the previous slide, I will show you that the primary dentition has no premolars, where the permanent dentition has 8 premolars. Okay, so here the options were given: canines, premolars, molars, and incisors. So answer will be premolars, because the primary dentition doesn't contains premolar type of teeth. Okay, option number 2 will be the correct answer. So second questions: a baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to a play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy has 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? So as a boy has a 20 teeth, okay, from this data we can know that as a boy has a 20 teeth, the boy must have milk dentition. So in the milk dentition we know that the teeth that is absent is only the premolars. So the answer will be the premolar. Option number 2 will be the correct answer. So very easy these are. Okay, you can do. So question number 3: which of the following term describe human dentition? This question is coming in Neet 2018. So here options are given: pleurodont, monophyodont, homodont. Okay, this option is not correct because homodont is not a kind of dentition and pleurodont is also not a kind of dentition. So this option should be omitted. So second, tecodont, diaphyodont, heterodont. Yes, this option is correct. So we just also look on the other options also. Now option number 3, tecodont, diaphyodont, homodont. This option is false because homodont is not a kind of dentition. Now option number 4, pleurodont, diaphyodont, heterodont. No, pleurodont is not a kind of dentition. So the answer will be option number 2, tecodont, diaphyodont, and heterodont is a types of human dentition. So thank you everybody. Hope you are benefited from this topic of human dentition. So please like, subscribe to my channel to get more and more videos like this. Thank you very much.